Every step matters. Every step that we take forward, we leave behind our footprint. Footprint of our existence. Footprint of our consciousness. Footprint for the next generation to follow. With the increase in human population, the surge in aseptic packaging has also increased significantly and is expected to double in the next 5 years. This has given birth to a new problem, the filling of landfills. Bigger the growth, bigger the concern, and hence bigger the solution. Uflex, the largest producer of aseptic packaging, along with our brand Asepto, world's fastest growing aseptic liquid packaging brand, has realized that materials in a linear economy create waste after use, contributing to environmental deterioration. Therefore, we are fostering a circular economy where materials are collected and reused after each use, providing the only solution to this grim situation. We not only identify the landfill challenge, but also extend a holistic approach in solving it. Introducing our own patent, enzymatic delamination technology, where nearly 99% of paper pulp is retracted from the aseptic packs using enzyme-based process, separating aluminium, poly and paper for future utility, resulting in the recycling of our entire production, a resounding 100%. And it all starts here. Starting with segregation of waste at each stage, which is key to good recycling and the first mile towards sustainability. Our state-of-the-art recycling facility excels in recycling aseptic waste entirely. The recovered paper pulp is used in molded pulp products such as egg cartons. This shredded PE and aluminium is converted into composite boards. This entire process follows the principle of zero liquid discharge. Being waterproof, these boards have wide range of application like furniture, portable structure, and many more. We also use these boards at our manufacturing unit and offices, staying true to our pledge. Nothing goes to the landfills. Our commitment to sustainability is unwavering. It's about more than business. It's about the legacy we leave behind. We invite you to be a part of this sustainable journey. Together, let's reimagine the real world with current world problems. Uflex Asepto, where every step is a footprint for others to follow.